bit of good taste. Well, this is a kind of an interesting thing. You know, so many new toys come out every year, and not all of them are acceptable to the manufacturers or to Santa, for that matter. And what we've done is we've contacted some actual toy manufacturers, actual toy designers. These people are real toy designers. Have I made that clear? These are people whose, for some reason or other, the toys that they've come up with didn't quite meet it, didn't quite make it, Santa didn't like them, people didn't like them, they didn't want to sell them to little kids. Get it? Okay, fine, here we go. I'm going to introduce the first one of these people now. Let's see, first we have Wendy. Oh, hi, Wendy. This is Wendy, actual toy designer.
When we design a preschool toy, we take into consideration a child's hand-eye coordination and other important motor skills.
Okay, that makes sense.
This is my first graffiti bunny. Now, if you will assist me, I'll show you how it works.
Oh, okay. It's what? It's a bunny that...
You have to shake it.
Hold on.
Yeah, watch the suit.
It's a bunny that sprays?
Yeah.
I have a cat that sprays. Especially when you pull his head off. That really...
Yeah. Okay, now I'd watch the suit if I were you.
Oh, yeah, this is my first suit, actually, so...
Do remember.
Okay. Oh, hustle and a gig, huh? All right, thanks. That's Wendy, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
All right. Oh. Hi. You must be Tony.
Yeah.
Hi, Tony.
Yeah.
Okay. Tony has a little attitude.
Yeah. I'm with Elfin Unit 122 Brooklyn Union Division here. You may not know me, but you know my toys.
So you're basically an actor as well as being a toy designer. Is this what you're saying?
I do what you do, you know.
Okay.
Hey. Yeah. What I want to show you here today is Subliminal Teddy. Mm-hmm. During the day...
Subliminal Teddy?
Subliminal Teddy.
My wife wears one of those, I think. Yeah. Subliminal Teddy.
I can get you a deal.
Okay. Secret messages in it and stuff. Okay.
During the day, he's a nice, sweet, soft little bear. But at night, when you put your children to bed, he whispers helpful little developmental sayings in his ear. Like this.
Let's play with Mommy's jewelry. Do you know where Daddy's gun is?
Well, that's creepy.
Let's give Fluffy a bath and dry her in the microwave.
Oh, my goodness. Well, that is truly terrifying, Tony. And so are you. Nice meeting you. Okay. Now we have Dave. Hi, Dave.
All right.
Okay, how are you? Nice to meet you. You're in the toy racket, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What we have here is we're all
Figured
familiar.
you'd be too busy this time of year to maybe come here with the toy business.
wanna keep them busy.
Okay, fine. Okay, go ahead.
We're busy.
Do your little number. Okay.
Well, we all know how popular Mr. Potato Head is, so we have a new item here. It's Mr. Jackson Head. Okay. Well, we're going to start off with these accessories. We got the chin implant. Let's tack on a chin from Mr. Michael. Let's take the glasses off. Tack on this. Yeah. We'll tack on this. Oh, and the nose. Let's get rid of that nose. Okay, there we go. And, you know, everything doesn't match. So what we're going to do is we're going to give him some more tone. We'll get him back to the color he was. Oh. Oh, there you go.
Oh,
there
man.
he is.
That is very impressive. All right. Thank you, Dave. Can I get one of those? I want one of those. You must be Frank, huh? Yes. This is Frank here. Frank, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Ladies and gentlemen.
This is the Burn and Learn Toddler Activity Chair.
Burn and learn. Somehow, Santa did not feel that this was fully acceptable, huh?
Designed to teach your child about home safety, so you can feel good about leaving them home alone. Teach them about things like mouse traps, power saws, or home electricity.
Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Thanks, Frank.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm going to keep this. Look at that. All right, who we got now? Oh, it's Keith. Why, it's Keith. Hi, Keith.
Hi.
How are you? Nice to meet you. Got a match? Okay.
Okay. This is Rock'em Sock'em Rodney, the action play set with real punching action.
Okay.
And it's
Keith, we're getting this on tape, you know.
well, it's all in fun. It's all in fun, you know. Comes complete with 2 policemen with batons and donuts. And over here we have the police car for.
With that realistic, frightening siren sound.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Now the object. Oh, and of course it comes with Rodney.
And there's your Rodney.
Now the object is to see if we can subdue Rodney without using unnecessary force. So so let's go. You get
okay.
that.
Oh, I get this one
yeah.
in here. Okay.
Okay. Let's see if we
maybe
can.
Maybe the cops should just fight each other for the donuts. Give me that donut. Give me that donut. Come on. That's mine. Thanks, Keith.
Thank you.
All right. Keith, ladies and gentlemen. Now approaching the stage, we have Mark. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Wayne.
How are you, man? There's a lot of people in the toy business, aren't there?
There sure is.
Oh, yeah. A lot of lefties, too, I imagine.
More creative that way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Well, Wayne, what we have here is the Abe Lincoln action set.
Abe Lincoln action set.
Abe Lincoln action set. And I think the kids are going to have a real blast with this one.
Okay.
Matter of fact, they're going to be able to learn all kinds of things about history.
Really?
With just the pull of a trigger.
Oh, good. Oh, I don't suppose you can put any other presidents in that chair. No, I don't think so. I'm sorry.
So.
All right, here we go. Now we have Eric.
Hi, Wayne.
Hi, Eric. Nice to meet you. Okay.
What we have here, this is the Carol
this looks festive,
Blaster.
certainly.
Indeed.
Yeah.
What we have here, you know how annoying
Carol
those
Blaster?
Christmas carolers can be sometimes. So we have is a way to get rid of them, actually drive them off. Now we actually have some Christmas carolers behind you over here.
Drive
Some
off
of them
Christmas? Where were you before?
Actually, see, you lure them into your house with the eggnog and our little Christmas cookies here in the serving tray, but actually we have a little surprise for them. So what we do is actually give them a little bleach surprise right there across there. And then when we're done with that, we can serve them up some nice Christmas cookies, just like ninja stars.
All right. That's impressive. Thanks, Eric.